Preparation: take out a vial of SQT Revitalizing hydrolyzed sponge powder and a vial of SQT fibronectin repair essence. Open the bottle cover along the arrow. Put essence into Revitalizing hydrolyzed sponge powder. Then put on the use accessory and shake to mix well. Step 1. Clean face. Step 2. Apply spicules evenly to the face in proper quantities for many times. Pressing gently to absorb spicules deeply into the skin, the process lasting 5 to 15 minutes. Avoid thin skin areas, such as eyes and lips. Reapply an appropriate amount of spicules evenly to the face. Pressing gently to absorb spicules deeply into the skin. And repeat the process until the spicules is used up. Step 3. Gently wipe and clean the facial skin. Step 4. Apply a SQT repairing mask. Remove the mask and gently clean the facial skin after 15 to 20 minutes. Home Care SQT Spongello Recovery Set. Put anti-allergy repair liquid solvent into anti-allergy repair lyophilized powder and shake to mix well. Apply it evenly to the face. It can help reduce discomfort and speed up recovery. *Use SQT Spongello Recovery Set for 5 days after the treatment, twice a day, before daily skincare.